Have you ever thought, is it really possible to start a business online and make money? Well, I'm here to show you it is possible. Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm launching a brand new business in the digital marketing space. I'm going to be documenting everything step by step to show you just how easy and simple it is. And I'm also creating a free community where you can come along inside and learn and grow and earn right alongside with me. So more to come on that, but I wanted to share why I'm starting this business. And I think that's super important if you want to become an online creator as well. You need to know why you're doing it. And for me, I have a couple reasons. I had to start over completely at 47. And that means I had to start over in a new career. I had to start my retirement from zero. Everything. And this all came about because of a divorce. But I want to show my son, we can rebuild from the ashes. And he has dreams as well. He wants to become a race car driver. And if you know anything about that, that is not a cheap sport. And I need additional income to help fund that dream as well. And the third reason why I want to do this, we set a crazy goal right after our divorce. My divorce was final literally days before Christmas in 2022. And that year, just because things were so heavy, I asked my son if he would be okay not getting presents, but going on a trip instead. We just needed a change of scenery. And we ended up on the craziest trip to Alaska, of all places. I just happened to find a deal there and I'm like, why not? Let's go. It's just so far beyond anything that is our normal day to day. So we did it. And it turned out to be our most favorite trip of all time. It was so far out of our comfort zone, but we enjoyed it so much. And coming home on that trip, we were sitting in the airport in Anchorage, Alaska, waiting for our flight back to Seattle. And we're like, we can't stop doing this. This was so much fun. It was so therapeutic. And we made this crazy goal to step foot on all 7 continents before he graduates high school. He was in 8th grade on this trip. He's now a junior in high school. I have a year and a half left to make this goal happen. We've already stepped foot on 3 continents, but we have the whole Southern Hemisphere to go. So that is a goal for us. And my goal is to use some of the income that I make from this new business to help fund our travel goals as well. So if you want to become an online creator, make an online income, I encourage you today, just sit back and maybe journal and write down, why do you want to do this? And if you want to share those with me, please leave them in the comments. I want to hear it because this is a journey. I want to bring so many of you alongside on this journey, and let's rise, learn, and earn together. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow for day 2 and to share the progress on the website and building my community. Thank you so much. Have a great day.